In May 2014, Croatia was affected by strong floods. 4 counties were affected, but the strong floods actually occurred in Vukovarsko-srijemska county because a dam has broken in Sava River at 2 places and a lot of area was under floods. In the civil protection system of the Republic of Croatia, we have seen the good impact of the new technologies. A lot of the system has been established after the lessons learned that we had in the floods 2014, which actually showed us we need to have better integration of different services in the system.
As the International Sava River Basin Commission, and together with our full member parties, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina and Serbia, but also together with Montenegro, we are trying to improve the efforts in flood risk management on the national level, to join our forces on the basin level and to prepare flood risk management plan which will serve to all countries.
If you need to respond to a disaster or even to plan a disaster risk reduction activity, you need to have some new tool, you want to have some new tool. But this tool should be very good integrated into the planning system and into the procedures you already have.
It might sound easy, but it's not. You have to take into consideration that society is very stratified. When talking about systems or platforms or technology or how to ease the work of those people, I think that the accent should be placed in how those platforms, how this technology can support the decision-making procedures.
This 2 days workshop is a very good time and period to identify all gaps during the emergency communications that they had in 2014, but also to find a way how to improve and bridge those gaps through innovative technologies, and I believe that would be very possible through our REACT project.
We've had 18 months of hard work developing a disaster management tool. We've been working hard on developing wearable devices, smart glasses, a mobile application, a web interface and integration tools to bring all of that together. Now we're reaching a really exciting time where we can put this tool in the hands of real users. And here in Sava, we can demonstrate how our REACT can improve disaster response when a flood occurs across national boundaries, like occurred in 2014.
What we need to receive in this is quite an amount of criticism and feedback, because we need to improve, and the only way to improve is to get feedback, because sometimes they're not really good. But it's the only way to improve our current state of the art in the REACT project.
So during this demo, we found this application very useful. It's very easy to use, and actually in the 1 minute they can have hundreds of useful information regarding this event.
For me, was the best thing that in this application you develop all knowledge, or you include all knowledge from Europe. There is from Sentinel, from GPS, from GLONASS, there is a lot of models, a lot of data, and user has a lot of possibilities how to use this application.
What my office in particular, UNESCO Regional Bureau for Science and Culture in Europe, is doing is trying to foster this cooperation among member states. And one of the main goals we would like to achieve, and I think we achieve, is that we were able to bring around the same table 6-7 different countries and try to share with them innovative technology for mitigate or avert flood risk disaster.
After this first field trial, we look forward to further trials in the UK, Italy, Spain and Finland, and now we'll be able to further develop and fine-tune the REACT technology to make it the best disaster management tool available.